let me just say, you're always going to have hiccups in something that you're trying to make a habit of. So I'm trying to make a habit of doing the cold plunge every day. I didn't get to it yesterday, mainly because, I don't know, I didn't really have an excuse not to do it yesterday other than it was cold, and it's still cold and rainy. Today I just got up because I have to bring my daughter to work. And I'm not going to be home until tomorrow morning, so that's why I'm not going to be able to do a cold plunge there, but I might take a small Blitz cold shower to get that same, it's kind of like the same effect. It's not full on going to be the same effect because I do not like cold water like rushing onto my body in that way, especially on the front side of me. But yeah,